Hi there, this is Koth, holistic physical therapist, and I would like to talk a little bit about the role of stress in pain. So many of us have been taught that we experience pain because something gets damaged in our body and that sends a signal to our brain that tells us that there's pain. In reality, that's not exactly true. Pain is actually your brain's way of expressing that it feels threatened. So what happens is your body gathers data from the environment. It gathers the way things smell, what it sees, what it feels. Like, is there a cut? Is there increased chemicals in the area? Is there maybe pressure? Is there movement? And all of this information that we're gathering from our senses is going to our brain constantly. And our brain has to take all that information and decide whether or not there's something important that we need to respond to. And so say, for example, you twist your ankle and there's some sensation around some chemicals being released. Maybe there's a stretch sensation that goes to your brain. Maybe there's even some blood that is released around the tendon. And all that information is going to your brain, along with maybe how you twisted the ankle. What's the environment like? Are you in a dangerous situation? How are you feeling? Are you embarrassed because of the people around you? So all of that information goes up to the brain and gets connected with all of your past experiences around injury and pain. Maybe things that your parents taught you. Maybe there's some cultural things. And so all that information gets kind of processed by the brain, and then the brain decides, is this situation something that is threatening? If it's something that's threatening, then the signal from your brain comes out as pain. That's the message that you get, and you'll feel the ouch, you'll feel the pain. And so it's not necessarily that the tissue is damaged, it's more about what your brain is creating around it. Say, for example, you're out in the garden, you're having a wonderful day, and it's a beautiful sunshiny day, and you go and you twist your ankle. That could be something that you experience and you don't feel stressed out about at all. Maybe just a little bit of a tweak and it's not a big deal. Your body may not send the signal of pain at all in that scenario. But say, for example, you're really, maybe you drop a bunch of things that are important and you maybe break your phone and, you start worrying about what it's going to cost to replace it. In that kind of scenario, your brain is going to create the sensation of pain. So I hope this helps you to kind of understand a little bit more about how pain works and how the effects of the emotions and your environment around when things, happen, whether or not that's producing pain. If you'd like more information or you'd like to meet with me one-on-one to discuss this, you can reach out to me at christinekoth.com and you can schedule online there. I look forward to meeting you soon.